Yeah, hello guys. Yeah, so welcome back again. And as I promised you that this particular platform that I posted recently, that I was making video about the withdrawal, how to withdraw from this particular platform, and I'm gonna do a live withdrawal for you to see from this particular platform that I posted. If you haven't watched the first video, I'll leave the video link in the description below. Go and watch that video to understand how to start making money from this particular platform. Okay, now before we continue, I want you to read this information over here. They said, Walmart team members, we are excited to announce a new reward system to recognize outstanding team leaders and members, encouraging everyone to make progress together and achieve greater success. Create your own Walmart referral group. You can earn team management rewards every month. Reward structure. Listen to this. WhatsApp group team reaches 200 people. Monthly salary 2,000 Ghana cedis. So if you're a member over here and you want to make money from this particular platform, you can create your own WhatsApp group. Okay, when you create the WhatsApp group, you can join many groups on Telegram and the rest, and then you post the links over there for people to join your groups. So if your team members, if you have a team members in your WhatsApp group up to 200 people, they will pay you 2,000 Ghana cedis every single month. I hope you understand. And they said WhatsApp group team reaches 400 people, monthly salary 3,500 Ghana cedis. You see? And I said WhatsApp group team reaches 900 people, monthly salary 5,000 Ghana cedis. You see? And then they said WhatsApp group reaches 1,000, monthly salary is what? 6,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, invite new members and actively participate in activities. Promote Walmart in the group every day. Team performance. They said total number of team members and total recharge. They said the trial period is 2 days, and those who actively participate during the trial period will contact the customer service manager on the third day to receive a month's salary. Example, you receive the salary for the current month on 3rd March. And you contact the customer service manager on April 2 to receive the salary for the next month. Okay, so now it is very simple. Okay, now listen to they made some statement over here. They said, look at statement here. Those who meet the requirement will be paid the salary for the current month first. Okay, those who meet the requirement will be paid the salary for the current month first. Start thinking positively. Stop short-term projects, Ponzi schemes. So this platform is telling us to stop Ponzi schemes. Okay, think about lifelong careers. That's Walmart. Learn skills and start making money for yourself. The success or failure of the tomorrow will determine what you do today. Okay, so now this is a very simple. If you want, you can log into your account to read it again. Okay, so now if you don't understand anything, you can leave it in the comment section below. Okay, and I'll just come and answer you. Okay, so you can create your own WhatsApp group. Okay, and then add many people over there. You can chat if you contact me or just contact the customer service. Okay, then you add the customer service to your group, then he will be seeing the activities on the group. Okay, so as you are inviting many people on your WhatsApp group, then when your team members reaches that particular number of people, then they will pay you monthly salary as well. Okay, so now please, if you are new here, kindly do what to subscribe to this channel, like this video. I beg you, like this video. Okay, so if you want to invite many people to this platform, just click on the team over here. Okay, just give my video to your members. When they watch and then they understand, copy your link like this, copy it and send it to them. Then they should register. Okay, when they register, you'll be able to make profit as well. Okay, so now I'm going to make a withdrawal over here for you to see. So I have 167 Ghana cedis in my account, so I'll come and click on the withdrawal over here. Right now, before then, let me see product. Like we see in my last video, I bought a product. Okay, so in that product, I've earned total of 21 Ghana cedis. Okay, I bought it on 4th March. Okay, and today is 7th March. So I've earned 21 Ghana cedis in total. You understand? I'll come and click on the withdrawal here. Okay, then I'll enter the amounts. I'm gonna withdraw everything. 167 Ghana cedis. Okay, so they said I'm going to receive 153 cedis, 64 pesos because of the 8% charges. Okay, so let me add the coins. 80. Okay, so 154, right? Okay, then I'll choose MTN MoMo. then I'll enter my deposit address. So that's my MoMo number. I'll enter my MoMo number here, then I'll enter my my name, the name on my MoMo number. Some of you listen to this again. Oh, if your MoMo number is wrong and then the name too is wrong, you may not receive your money. Please take note of this and write correct details. Okay, so I'll enter my MoMo number and the name, then I'll click on confirm. Okay, I'll read this thing over here. They said withdrawals are available every day. Withdrawals will arrive in your bank account within 24 hours. Guys, some of you like complaining too much. If you make withdrawals and the money hasn't come, then you just immediately now you just come and chat me. You have made withdrawal, the money hasn't come. Please, the time you made the withdrawal, if it's not up to 24 hours and you haven't received the money, don't come and chat me. You can chat me after 24 hours that you haven't received the money, or just chat the customer service. After 24 hours, chat the customer service that you haven't received your money. Okay, so if it's not up to that 24 hours, don't chat anyone, I beg you. Okay, so now that is it. So now they said, as I told you, the minimum withdrawal is what, 31 Ghana cedis. Okay, so you can withdraw any day, every time, anytime. This one, they don't have the number of days that you make withdrawal all the time. You can withdraw it anytime at all, anytime, 24 hours, anytime. Okay, so I'll click on confirm. Now I've been able to withdraw the whole money in my account. So when the money comes, I'll show you. All right, so I think I have received an alert on my phone. Okay, let me go to the transaction record here and check the status of the withdrawal. Okay, so now if you check the time that I made the withdrawal, they said the withdrawal has been approved. Okay, it has been approved now. So I made the withdrawal at 9:41 and check the time now, 9:49. Okay, so in less than 10 minutes I have received the money. So I had an alert on my Yam phone. So let me go to my Yam phone and then check the message I received. So today's date is what, 7th, right? Today is 7th. Okay, so I received 154 Ghana cedis. Okay, I have received 154 Ghana cedis. So that is it. So now when they took the 8% charges, I received 154. You understand? So now this message, for instance, I will just take a screenshot of this message and then go and post it in the group. Then I'll be getting additional reward. As I told you, on your WhatsApp group, when you get to the withdrawal, post it in your WhatsApp group for more rewards. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment thank you in the comment section below. I love you all. See you next time. Bye bye.